Good morning, everyone. Today in this session, I will explain the stability of alkene. In the last session, I completed heat of combustion and heat of hydrogenation and resonance energy. So, अगर आपने सुना है तो फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं इसका लिंक डाल देता हूँ, फिर उधर से आप चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, राइट. नाउ इन दिस सेशन आई विल एक्सप्लेन द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ alkene. Stability of alkene. ओके, सो इधर स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ alkene किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? सो द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ alkene टू डिपेंड ऑन द conjugation. So the first case is the case 1. This is the case 1. So conjugated alkene is more stable than non-conjugated alkene. Okay, conjugated alkene is the more stable than non-conjugated alkenes. So what is the meaning of conjugated alkene? It means if maybe there is alternate double bond is there like this, double, single, double. So like these components shows the conjugated alkenes. So double, single, double. There is the electrons are shifting from double bonds to single bond. That is we call the conjugated. So what about non-conjugated? So there is not possible conjugation. There is not possible conjugation. So there is a double, single, single, then after double bond. So we want only double, single, double. There is only two possible shifting of electrons. Delocalizations will be possible there. But here is a delocalization not possible. So that's why this is the more stable than that one. Okay, I will give another example. So here is a double bond and here is a double bond. This is a cyclohexadiene. Okay. So first I will give either another example. So either a double bond there. Okay, no? There is one double bond. So the conjugation is not there, but here is the conjugation is there. Double, single, double. So this is the more stable than that one. Okay. Right. We know already this is double bond, double bond, double bond. We know that that is the benzene ring, and here is the double bond, and there is a single bond and double bond. So there is double bonds are there. There is a 3 double bonds is there. This is the benzene. This is aromatic. We know already aromatic is more stable than non-aromatic. So इस दोनों भी क्या होते हैं? Non-aromatic है, non-aromatic. Okay. So there is a comparison second and third. In this, there is a conjugation will be possible, but here is a conjugation is not possible. So the alkene which is consist conjugation, that will be to shows the more stability. So right, come to the next question. This is the double bond, and there is a double bond. Here is also double bond, and I have the another example. No, this one. So compare the first and second, which is highest stable. So which is highest stable? Very good. The first one is the highest stable due to there is a conjugation is excess, delocalization is excess, then compared to the second one. So there is 2 conjugations are possible. Okay, no? But here is a 3 conjugations are possible. So finally, which has the excess of double bonds and excess of conjugation, that will be to more stable compared to the other, which is to consist the less number of double bonds and less conjugation. Okay, no? Right, next one. If case 2 check करें तो there is a case 2 non-conjugated alkene. अगर non-conjugated alkene रहता है तो मगर conjugation नहीं है उसमें, there is no conjugation. So how we can find out? So we have to check number of alpha hydrogens. Number of alpha hydrogens. So listen here, there is a 3 cases will be there in under the case 2. The first one, CH3, here is a double bond is there, and here is a double bond, either the CH3 and CH3. Okay, right, come to the next question. Here is also double bond, and next here is the double bond. So listen here, with respect to the double bond, this is the alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon, this is also alpha, and this one alpha, this one alpha, this one also, this one also, and this is also, this is also. Here is the presence of alpha hydrogen, total 12 alpha hydrogen, count the 3 3 3 3, so 12. So here is also 3 alpha hydrogen, and here is also, and here is also, total 9 alpha hydrogen. But in this case there is the alpha hydrogens 6. So non-conjugated alkene if consist pi bond same, अगर pi bond same रहता है तो अगर हम क्या करना है, इधर pi bond that is equal to same, अगर pi bond same रहता है तो we have to check the number of alpha hydrogen with respect to the double bond. Okay, so finally which has number of alpha hydrogen excess, automatically stability also increases. So number of alpha hydrogen, I write the number of alpha hydrogens directly proportional to stability of alkene. So alpha hydrogen ज्यादा रहता है तो उसका stability बढ़ता है, तो more alkylated alkene is more stable. So we know already. Okay, so here is a 4 alkyl groups are there, 1 2 3 4. Here is a 3 alkyls, here is a 2 alkyl groups. So here 12 alpha hydrogen, 9 alpha hydrogen, 6 alpha hydrogen. Obviously the first one is the excess stability, then the second and the third. So understood, right? So note down, I will give the next case in the case 2. Right now alpha hydrogen अगर same रहता है तो if maybe alpha hydrogen same, the case number B, if alpha hydrogens that is equal to same, अगर हमने अल्फा हाइड्रोजन सेम रहता है तो क्या करना है, अगर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन डिफरेंट रहता है तो which has excess of alpha hydrogen that alkene is the more stable. Okay, right. So अगर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन सेम रहता है तो फिर क्या चेक करना. So now in this question there is the option A, option B. Okay, so नहीं तो हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, ट्रांस भी लिख सकते हैं और सिस भी लिख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू लिसन सिस वन. ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, यहाँ पर हमने अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इधर 3 है और इधर 3 है. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द डबल बॉन्ड दिस इज अल्फा, सो 6 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट. सो हियर इज अ 6 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट. दिस इज अल्फा, तो 6 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स आर प्रेजेंट. So it's consists same number of alpha hydrogen now. So we have to find out the stability in the given question. So how we can to decide? It means unsymmetric is more stable than symmetric. Unsymmetric is more stable than symmetric. So finally, first you have to find out the alpha hydrogen. Okay, in the both given question, if there is maybe same there, so then you go for the symmetry and unsymmetry. So symmetry, this one. So when you cut this one, equally to divide. So but when it is to cut this one, it is not equally divided. So unsymmetric is the more stable than the symmetric. Understood? Right. See, if alpha hydrogens same as well as both are symmetric, then what we have to check? For this condition, trans is more stable than cis. Trans alkene is more stable than cis alkene. Cis alkene. Understood? So अगर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन का संख्या सेम है और both are symmetric भी है, so listen here, this is the alkene of this structure is cis. Same group, same side. This is the cis form, and this is the trans.